Inside the corridors of justice, where former Governor Mike Sonko has obeyed a court directive to show up in court today or face consequences. Anti-corruption Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti had dismissed an application for adjournment. His lawyers had presented medical reports that indicated that Sonko was unfit to stand trial. Sonko has been in and out of court in relation to his corruption case. And our very own Vincent Odwor is at the Milimani Law Court. Vincent, glad to see you. What more can you tell us about today's proceeding?
You know, right now what I can tell you is that the former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko is still in court and his trial is ongoing. But what happened just a few minutes ago is that one of his lawyers, John Haminwa, has just walked out, saying that he had come to make an application that whereby he had asked the chief magistrate to adjourn this sitting because Sonko is unwell, and also they are suspecting because when Sonko was presented at a particular court some days ago, one of the suspects turned out to be COVID-19 positive, and therefore his lawyer was calling on the chief magistrate to adjourn today's session so that Sonko can also have bed rest, because he was arguing that 6 doctors had recommended Sonko to have bed rest for 14 days. But that is something that the court had none of it. And you know that today Sonko had to attend court after being discharged on Thursday, after the court ruled that he has to appear in court today personally, despite reports of his lawyers informing the court that he is unwell. This is a corruption case involving 10 million shillings, and Sonko is also one of the suspects in this case. And when you look at what has been transpiring surrounding this case, is that Aminwa right now is the 3rd lawyer to walk out of this case, arguing that there is a petition that they've presented before the Judicial Service Commission touching on the Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti, whereby they are accusing Ogoti of being biased in this case, and also they want the Chief Magistrate to remove himself from this case. But the Chief Magistrate Douglas Ogoti has refused to remove himself in this case, and he has ordered for the trial of Sonko in this case to continue, and he's saying he's going nowhere. And therefore these are some of the issues that are merging surrounding this corruption case involving Sonko. And what you are waiting right now is to see what the court will rule out today, because you remember that for quite a while Sonko has been in hospital, and he was just discharged on Thursday, and I looked at him in the morning and he looked frail, somehow showing that he must be really unwell. And therefore we'll still be camping here to tell you what will transpire today in this court. Back to studio.
All right, Vincent Odwor, they're keeping tabs with the development there on that case.